Hi everyone, I'm Hallie. Welcome to Ledger and Lace. I am going to give you a walkthrough of what I've been doing this summer since some of you have been asking, where are you, Hallie? I have been helping my sister in her anatomy and physiology lab, and I had a project with her of recovering and refurbishing bones for her anatomy and physiology class. So let me show you the bone boxes that we did. So I lined them with felt and color-coded them in different colors. So, well, I'll just walk you through. So not only did we, now some of these are plastic. Some of them are real, like decades old, real. And so essentially we just scrubbed, and by we, I mean my sister, scrubbed the plastic bones and cleaned those. But then with the actual real ones, which this one is, that's real, that's a femur. My sister epoxied and repaired, I don't know if you can see, the bones, and then I painted them. And so each box of bones has, I think, pretty much a representation of a full skeleton. So there's a rib bone. This is, I love that, look at this. That is part of a pelvis. This is called the acetabulum. That's where, hang on, I'll show you. The ball part of the socket fits into the hip. So when you dislocate your hip, you're going, whoops, like that. So, but this is, when I was painting these, I thought, oh my gosh, it's like sculpture. I mean, look at that. It's just so beautiful. If you're into bones and not thinking, I'm holding the ilium of a dead person from decades ago, from the 20th century. Anyway, so there's that. And so I color coded. So we have the green box, and then eventually what I'll do, now these are college kids, so it's not like they're going to be throwing the bones around and mixing them up, I don't think. But so I just did that for now. So that's the green box, and then eventually we'll just put a dot of paint on each. And then here is like what I like to call the nuclear yellow box, because hello, I'm yellow. Look at that. I mean, it's so bright. I bet it could just glow in the dark almost. So there's that box of bones, and here's a real arm bone. Here's a sacrum, but that's plastic. And then here's the first box I did, which is really pretty with the royal blue. And I'm not going to show you the rest of the boxes because they all sort of are the same, but I'll show you this one because this is a little bit more delicate. This is one of the teacher boxes, and it's got, these are all real bones. And then this lifts out. Hang on, I'm going to see if I can do this. Yeah, there we go. And then we've got this down below. So there's that. And this, I have to say, this was the most vexing box to do. And then, let me show you this. This is just, those are little ear bones. See? Little. And then, I don't know what, I think those are nasal bones. My sister's not here. She could tell me. Oh, and here she is. Okay, and let's see, what else? So here's one, and then we have a box of extra bones. Those are all the extras. And then, do you want to say anything to the people, Ruthie? Hi, people. And then I'll just take you over here to some more. And here's some extras that we didn't get to. So our project is about 90% done, and then, you know, we'll do part 2 some other time. This is a lab table, which is, oh my gosh, heat resistant, scratchers. It's like the best. It would be the best craft table, really. And then I'll just end with these skeletons. And are these plastic, sweetie? These are, oh yeah, wait a minute. Let me take you to a real one. Okay, so these are plastic. And then this one is real. And so there you go. There's your tour of the Bone Lab.